Hey all, Abhi this side, welcome to Bytes and Rottles. I was looking for a DSLR bag quite a long time and finally I end up with this Vanguard VEO Select 45 BFM. Before going through this bag, I would like to tell you that why I was looking for a DSLR bag and what makes me to purchase this particular bag. Actually, I was looking for a good quality compact bag to keep my cameras, gimbal, but the different lenses, accessories, etc. Moreover, that I was looking for a bag which I can access my camera quickly. Till now, I am using this bag, the bag which we used to get along with the camera while purchasing for keeping my camera and lenses. And this bag will go to my backpack along with the tripod and the gimbal. The problem is, like when we are in the street or when we are in the remote place or something, if I want to take a snap, I want to open my backpack, I want to take out this bag from the bag, and from it I want to take my camera and I want to take the snap, and all this process will do reverse to keeping my camera back to my bag. So by overall everything, I was looking for a small compact bag which I can carry around everywhere I need, plus I can access my camera easily whenever I need it. So the dimension of the bag is around the lengthwise is something around 300 mm, and the breadthwise, I mean this breadthwise is around 210 mm, and the overall height of the bag is around 465 mm, which means this bag is something around 45 liter in size, and the weight of the bag is around 1.48 kg, which means around like 1.5 kgs of weight. Now let's see some brief about this bag. Let's start from the bottom side. This particular bottom side comes with scratch resistant and the water resistant material. I felt like somewhat the similar material they were used in the top side of the bag. Now let's go to the rear side. This particular strap, I don't know, this maybe the shoulder strap or whatever, and the rear side, both the things are well padded, and you can see a small gap in between the pad. This is mainly for the air passage, and here I don't know if people can see it clearly or not. Maybe in this side, in the strap, you can see the small holes or something, and this small hole and this gap is mainly for the air passage. And because of this is a breathable material. Moreover, it's a breathable material, and because of this, the air passage will be good enough, and it won't make us to soak in our own sweat. And here we can see one more strap. It's a simple strap. Okay, this is a simple strap. This is mainly for keeping it in the trolley bag, especially when we are traveling somewhere, especially in the airport or something like that. We can keep it in the trolley bag so that it won't move here and there. It will be steady enough. And you can find a small secret pouch. I think, almost my one palm will go inside. This is mainly for keeping some documents, like maybe the passport or maybe a DL or whatever thing, some secret things we can keep it. And this is not suited for keeping any wallets or something, because when we are keeping the wallet, this will be little bulkier size, and it may be when we are wearing it feel like little difficult when wearing. So this side, maybe the left side of the bag, here we have a bottle holder, or we have a bottle holder or a tripod holder, and here you can see the small even a tripod logo here. This is mainly for, like, we can open this and we can keep our tripod and lock it here. And if you are using a lengthier tripod, even we have one more strap they have given, so that even we can make it a little more tighter, and with the help of this loop they can able to tighten it and they can keep our tripod safely. Now let's move to the right hand side. Actually, this is what mainly my requirement is, because we can access our camera easily via this. So like because of this, for taking a camera, I don't want to open my entire bag or anything, so even I can easily access my camera. And here we have a small pouch here. This pouch is mainly for keeping maybe a filter or memory card or battery, or like based on our wish we can keep something in this side. Now we'll go to the top side. Even here we have a small pouch, and we got a rain cover included in this. Yes. Front is here is something like, it's a both the side, it's open side. It is like we can accessible this particular pouch from both the side of this bag. Mainly I think we can keep our mobile phones or our some notes, pens or something, we can keep it in this particular pouch. Now let's open and see the bag. This bag, like here, once we open here, we can see a small gap here, so that anything like maybe a drone or like something, you can keep it in this side, and only for this. And if you want to access the entire, if you want to access the entire accessories, what you want to do means you just want to open the bag completely. We can keep around a body, and plus you can keep like maybe 3 to 4 lens and so on. We can able to get, we'll see more this in some time. Let's discuss about this particular part. This comes with a small pouch. Yeah, hardly we may keep a external hard disk or something we can keep here, and plus we have a small 2 pouch. Maybe you can see one in green colored and another in red color. This is mainly for keeping our memory card or pen drives or like whatever. And the only sad part is, unfortunately, in this pouch we can keep only 11.5 inch a laptop or a tablet or something. We can keep it. I don't think so we can keep any bigger laptop. Particularly this model doesn't comes with any any option for keeping a laptop or anything. It has only capable of taking only 11.5 inch tablet or laptop or whatever. And when we are talking about this the particular materials using here, this comes with like we can completely assemble, we can completely remove it. Like every bag we can completely remove it, and we can assemble this based on our requirement. Because like maybe a person is having a single body and 1 or 2 lens, and he's having a drone or gimbal or like whatever. Based on based on his requirement, he can remove all this entire portion. This bag, the entire bag this complete bag can be removed, and based on our wish we can rearrange it for keeping our accessories. And I missed one more thing. We talk about the chest strap, but we have a hip strap also. They are like nicely hidden it in a side. Yeah. We have a hip strap also here. Like here we have a chest strap, and here we have a hip strap. And if you are, when it is not in use or something, we can neatly fold it, and you can just push it inside. I will do one thing. I will set up all my gadgets in this, because the camera what I am going to keep here, I am recording this video. Maybe I will switch to my mobile or something, and I will keep all my gadgets here, and I will show you in some time. So here is my entire setup, and I missed this while to introduce it earlier. Like this is something like a small I think it's something like a lens holder or something like, I don't know like exactly what it is. Probably like maybe when you are dealing with some costly lens or something, we just want to wrap it and keep it in somewhere. We can keep only our a surface can easily fit into this. And if you really want to keep a Mac or like a small laptop, so the only option is like we want to keep like this. Either I think it's better to keep either one, maybe a tablet or a small laptop. Now let's see how I am fixing my tripod here. What you want to do means stretch this one, take this maybe 2 legs and the center one, you just take it here and just push it inside. And you can see I told here we have a tripod logo strap is here something. what you want to do means take the strap and lock it strong enough, and here you have one more strap, so just lock it up and tighten. It's strong enough, sturdy. I bought this bag from Amazon for around 7,300 rupees, and this particular bag is having around 2 years of warranty, and I will provide the Best Buy link in the description box if you like to buy one. I hope I covered almost everything, and if I missed something, comment me in the comment section, or you can connect me in my Instagram ID, which I have mentioned in the description box. So here is the end of today's video, and as usual, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. See you soon.